Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to start our new chapter, and name of the chapter is Shapes and Patterns. So yesterday for the homework I given you to draw few shapes in your notebook. So let's start the warm up exercise. Okay. So here you can see count the number of each shape in the clone given below. So here in this one clone is there and there different shapes are used. Okay, so write the number in the boxes of that shapes. So which shape is used for the how many times that we have to see, and we have to write the numbers. Okay, so let's start from this first. Okay, so this one 2 3 4 and 5, so 5 times. Next, this shape 1 2 3 4, and here also, so it is 5. Okay, next we'll move to this one, this shape 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this shape, it is 1. Anywhere else you can see? No. So here we will write 1. Okay, so now let's start learning about the shapes. Okay, now which are the shapes that we are going to learn in this chapter? So first we will start from the circle. Now this shape is called as the circle. So this is circle which has no sides and no corners. You can see circle has no sides and even it doesn't have the corners. Now corner means what? In this shape you can see where this side and this side connected here or joined here, so this is called as the corners. So can you see the corner here? No. So circle has no corner, and here you cannot able to see side also. Now see this shape, this is one side, this is another side, but this circle doesn't have the sides. Okay, so circle has no sides and no corners. Look at these pictures, they all are in a circular shape. This one sun, you can see circle. Bangle which you are wearing, especially girls are wearing bangles, right? So this bangle is also circular in shape. Pizza, yes. Even chapati or roti also in circular shape. Button, yes, it is also in circular shape. So let's try this exercise. Join the dots to make circles. Also color them. You can color it, any color you can use to color it. Okay, so let's join the dots and complete the circle. So like this you have to complete this. Okay, you have to draw all these circles, or you have to complete this all the circles. Next one, tick the figure that is circular in shape. Now first one, you can see here, is it a circle? No. This, no. This also no. But see this one staring, yes. So this one is in circular shape. Let's learn another shape, that is rectangle. You can see here, this is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. Now which are the four sides here? 1 2 3 and 4. So these four sides, whereas it has four corners. Now which are the corners? Where the two sides are joining, that is called as the corner. Here, this and this side is joined here, right? So it made a corner. So one corner, two corner, 3 and 4. So rectangle has four sides and four corners. Okay, the rectangle has opposite sides, same length. Okay, the opposite sides of a rectangle have the same length, means this and this is opposite side. Okay, so this and this sides length is same, whereas this side and this side length is same. Okay, so the opposite sides length is same in the rectangle. Okay, so rectangle has four sides, four corners and the opposite sides of rectangle is same. Okay, now next we will move to the examples of rectangle. Look at this given objects. Yes, postcard, envelope, rupees note, okay, credit card. So these all are in rectangular shape. Okay, next, join the dots to make rectangles, also color them. So let's draw it. So draw this rectangle and color it. Next question, tick the figure that is rectangular in shape. Which is in the rectangular shape? No, this one, correct. Okay, next move to the next shape. So you can see here one more shape looks like rectangle only, but it is not a rectangle, it is a square. Okay, so square has four equal sides, means all sides of a square has a same length. Okay, now which are the sides? 1 2 3 4, and corners 1 2 3 and 4. So square also having 4 sides and 4 corners, and square has all sides of equal length. So all the sides of a square has equal length. Okay, now how to identify the square and the rectangle? Square rectangle has two sides equal, that opposite sides are equal, whereas square has all the sides equal. Okay, even this rectangle has four corners and square also is having four corners. Rectangle has four sides, square also has four sides, correct. But to find out the difference between the rectangle and square, what we have to do? See the square, square means all sides equal, whereas rectangle two sides are equal and the opposite sides are equal. Okay, now look at these given objects. They all are in square in shape. Handkerchief, yes. Frame, biscuits, carom board or the chess board, that all are in square in shape. Okay, so let's draw square here. So students, like this you have to complete this all squares. Okay, so square means all sides equal or of the same length. Here you can see this all sides or the length of these sides are same. Okay, next, take the figure that is square in shape. So which one is in the square shape? Yes, this one. So take it. Okay, next, triangle. A triangle has three sides and three corners. Here you can see this is triangle. Okay, so triangle, one side, two side and three side, whereas three corners, one, two and three. So triangle has three sides and three corners. Okay, look at the given objects, they all are in triangular shape. Sandwich, good. Chips, that madangles, yes, that is in triangle shape. Hanger and flag, see this flag, yes, it is in the triangular shape. Okay, so let's draw the triangle here. Yes, so like this you have to complete this also. Take the figure that is triangular in shape. So which one is triangular? Let's see here. Yes, this shape. Okay, so like this you have to complete this all the pages from 40 to 43. Okay, 40 to 43, this all you have to complete. Try these exercises and then you have to draw these shapes also. Thank you.